is a place to grow with a long grass.